One of the really nice features available on WhatsApp is that you can easily send a short video clip directly within your chat instead of a traditional voice message. This method works on both WhatsApp Business and regular WhatsApp. It also works on Android phones as well as iPhones. For example, we will demonstrate this on regular WhatsApp. We open it as usual. Then you will want to proceed to this particular location and gently tap on it. After successfully completing that, you should then navigate to this specific place. This is a crucial video note. Well, here, some options will appear for you as you can see. You can easily turn on the camera's flash function, seamlessly switch between the front-facing and rear-facing cameras, and also conveniently add some creative and artistic filters. Finally, you should tap on this particular option as you can clearly see on your screen. Now, a brand new video clip is currently being recorded. As soon as this progress bar, as you can observe, completely reaches this designated point, the video recording will automatically stop, or alternatively, you have the option to tap right here to manually stop the recording of the video. I will proceed to tap here at this moment. And after finishing the recording, you can easily tap right here on this designated area to conveniently watch the previously recorded video content. And then, to complete the process, you will finally tap on this specific option, which is clearly labeled to efficiently send the created clip to this particular person or a chosen friend from your contacts. So, my friends, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. I'd really appreciate it. As you can see, the video is being sent. The video has been successfully and completely sent to this particular friend, and you can easily tap right here to conveniently share it with your other friends and contacts. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly useful WhatsApp tutorials where you'll undoubtedly find many important and beneficial guides that you'll truly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.